Yeah. Y'all ready?
Good morning. Happy Saturday. So, real quick, I'm going to be going. I just wanted to go out to the garden, but I'm going to show you guys the plants that I bought. Well, some of them. The other ones are in the garden, planted already. So, these are the herbs that I got the other day. This one is variegated Cuban oregano. And then these two are culantros. So, I already have another variegated Cuban oregano growing on the inside. And that's that one. But you see how all the roots are over to one, the stem is over to one side. So I bought that other one to put in this blank space over here to fill out the pot more. And then I'm planning on putting the culantros in that pot down there. So hopefully it gets enough light. If not, I'll just put it on the window ledge. And that's my little frog ceramic things I have on the ledge. And then I have these two. You probably can't really see them because of the light, but yeah. So out we go to the garden to check on things and see how it's coming along out there. And those are my peppers. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pepper trees. And then I have a moringa that's pretty tall. When I got it, it was like down here. So that's how much is grown. That's what's left of my aloe plant, and I'm gonna insert a picture of my aloe plant so you guys can see how big it used to be. And actually, forgive me, this is another part that's left of it, but it used to be even bigger than that. And then I have my this is one of my mints. So it's called the spearmint mojito. And then my thyme. I gotta find pots to put these in. So here we go over to the garden. I don't like walking over there these days because there's been a lot of snakes lately with the heat here. So I don't like snakes, don't like nothing to do with snakes, don't like what snakes eat. So, well, I just hope I don't see one. But here's the garden. That's my citrus tree. It's some type of orange, not sure. Then I have this, another citrus tree. That's another citrus tree, and it has some little limes. There's some type of lime. And it's actually not even really that sour. It's pretty sweet for lime. And then I think this is a guava, or I'm not sure, but I think it's a guava. This has been here. I planted this like when I first moved here, I believe. And then another citrus tree. And it has a few fruit on there. Like that one. That. And then it has some more on the other side. And then over here, I'm not sure what this is called. There may be lemongrass, but I'm not sure. And then it has something else growing out of it. It may be a weed or some type of yam, not sure. And see, and this is why I don't like messing with this garden. See that? Spiders need to go somewhere else. And then this right here, I think it's a yam also. I'll look it up and put the name, but yeah. And then I have this part of the garden, which we really didn't do anything much this year. Like I said, I don't like messing with snakes, so I try to stay away from them. That's my little sad looking pomegranate. I thought it was dead, but there's some leaves right there. So, and that's part of my grape, and it goes all the way down the fence to the wood fence, and it has like thousands of grapes on there. But over here is the covered part. So we got like those, and I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. But this is from what we bought the other day. We bought some cucumber, okra, and squash, I think a zucchini, and eggplant. We gotta like fence it in, like, but there's a hole in there, so gonna probably need to patch that up, because there's also rabbits who took it upon themselves to basically use my garden as their personal feeding ground. So I guess I need to remind him to patch up the holes to prevent the rabbits from going in. But yep, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my garden and what I have going on so far. We usually plant sorrel, or the other name for it is called Rossello, where like in West Indian households we use the sorrel to make a drink. So yeah, but kind of forgot that this year. That kind of like slid through the works this year, so might be too late because it's September, and usually you start picking them around Thanksgiving and Christmas time to make the drink. So yeah, so that's my garden. That's the update on my garden, guys. And I'm about to go back in the house because these flying gnats and whatever, yeah, I can't deal with it. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I appreciate each and every last one of you. Peace.